Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and computer vision, specifically focusing on a fascinating development known as DINOv2. Now, if you're not familiar with DINOv2, it stands for self-distillation with no labels, and it's making waves in the way visual features are learned and utilized without supervision. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a researcher, or just curious about AI, this episode is for you. Let's start with what makes DINOv2 so special. Picture this. Imagine teaching a child to recognize animals solely based on pictures, without telling them what each animal is called. That's essentially what DINOv2 does. It learns from 142 million images without any labels or annotations. Can you believe it? This approach allows it to pull out robust visual features that perform incredibly well across many tasks, and all without needing to be fine-tuned. Isn't that wild? Brief pause for audience to digest. Now you might be wondering, what are these visual features actually used for? Well, think about everything from image classification to semantic segmentation. With models like VT, Vision Transformer, being outfitted with DINOv2, we're talking about some impressive performance metrics, landing above 80% on various evaluations. To put it simply, DINOv2 is effectively training itself to understand images in ways that are just mind-blowing. And here's a fun tidbit for you. DINOv2 has different model versions. For instance, we have ViteS, ViteB, ViteL, and even a gigantic ViteG model. Each comes with its own unique parameters and capabilities. For instance, while ViteS has about 21 million parameters, the mighty ViteG boasts a whopping 1.1 billion. That's like comparing a school of fish to a blue whale. Transition to the next topic. So let's take a closer look at the parts of DINOv2. It's not just a single model, it's a toolbox. You've got pre-trained models ready for immediate use, along with flexible backbones specifically trained for tasks like depth estimation and semantic segmentation. This means you can pick and choose the components you need, much like assembling a custom PC. Now, imagine you're a developer or a researcher wanting to leverage this technology. DINOv2 makes it easy. By following a few basic installation steps through PyTorch, which can be as simple as downloading some files and running a couple of commands, you can start experimenting with this robust AI model. It's almost like having a superpower at your fingertips. Encouraging listener engagement. Listeners, do you have any projects in mind where you think AI could be a game changer? Maybe in healthcare or environmental monitoring? DINOv2 could be a fantastic candidate to explore those ideas. Shift gears a little. Before we wrap up, let's discuss the implications of DINOv2's architecture. The efficiency of its training process and its ability to generalize across domains opens up exciting new avenues for researchers. Think about it. Less reliance on labeled data could democratize AI research, making it accessible to far more people and industries. As we approach the end of our show, here's a thought to chew on. What will the future look like when AI models can learn even more autonomously and usually from even lesser human intervention? Could this mark the next leap in technological advancement? Thank you for joining me on this exploration of DINOv2. Remember, technology is ever evolving, and keeping up with these advancements could inspire us to push the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time, stay curious.